Good morning. May mga choices tayong ginagawa sa buhay natin. And pwedeng maging isa sa mga choices natin, total mahilig tayo sa mga challenges, di ba? Uso ngayon, face challenges. Why not kaya yung 1 year, i-condense natin na as it is, you're working in 5 years. Gagawin mo lang in 1 year. Kaya ba? So, kaya yan. Kasi lahat tayo may ability to do that. Living 5 years in 1 year. Ang inaano dito kasi yung experience, yung significant experience na a huge amount of changing. Even events, growth, or i-diverse mo yung personality mo into something huge na bibigyan mo yung time frame mo yung sarili mo na as it is, lahat ng kailangan mong gawin sa 5 years magagawa mo in 1 year. And nasa atin yung will na yun, nasa atin yung choices na yun. Ito, sinasuggest tong phrase na to for you to have a high level of activity, engagement, and challenges within a small period of time, pursuing the boundaries that you want to have in your life, that you want to get in 1 year. Your plan, your actions, put it in as it is, you can do it in 1 year. So sabi nga, it's a big transformation. Whether it's learning, personal development, it's all up to you. It encouraged every one of us to have a wide range of solution, either environment situation or emotional situation, or what do you want? And it condensed in a period of time. When we say condensed, pinaikli, di ba? So, there is a multiple choices and immersing ourselves in different cultures within a short period of time. As a human, God given us the ability to make it happen. So, kung maharap lang din naman tayo sa mga situation, sa mga challenges, so why not challenge yourself? Facing a challenges that have experienced significant growth in significant period in a small period of time. Why not? You can do that. Kasi lahat tayo may kakayahan. Nakadepende yun anong choice mo. Nakadepende yun sa will mo. Hope this simple talk you learn something. Thank you everyone and God bless.